Question 4. DS. What is the mid-exam average, or arithmetic mean, score of students in Class B? Condition 1. The mid-exam average, or arithmetic mean, score of the students in Class A is 87. Condition 2. The mid-exam average, or arithmetic mean, score of the students in Class A and Class B combined is 93. Solution. Now we will solve this DS question using the variable approach. Tip 2. If there are 3 or more variables, including the 2x2 questions, then E is the likely answer. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find the mid-exam average, or arithmetic mean, score of students in Class B. Let us look at the information from the original condition. The answer to this question will be in terms of a unique value for the average, and therefore, we apply CMT2 to this question. Again, let's organize the information into a separated 2x2 table. Number of students in Class A is A. Number of students in Class B is B. Mid-exam average of Class A is C. Mid-exam average of Class B is D. Remember these 2x2 questions related to statistics. They often appear in the exam. Sometimes the questions ask for average weight or the average height. Don't forget that the most likely answer is E. We are dealing with 4 variables, A, B, C, and D, and we're looking for the value of A times C plus B times D over A plus B. Follow the second and third steps. From the original condition, we have 4 variables, A, B, C, and D. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need 4 equations. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide 1 equation each, E would most likely be the answer. Recall 3 principles, choose E as the most likely answer. Let's look at both conditions together. Conditions 1 and 2 tell us that C equals 87, and A times C plus B times D over A plus B equals 93. Substituting C equals 87, we get 87 times A plus B times D over A plus B equals 93. That is, 87 times A plus B times D equals 93 times A plus 93 times B, or 6 times A plus 93 times B equals B times D. We cannot figure out the values of A, B, and D. Since there is no unique solution, it's not sufficient by CMT2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. You need to be careful here. I don't know why, but some people calculate 87 plus 93 and divide it by 2 to get an answer of 90. Consequently, they choose C as the answer. You should never divide it by 2. The answer is E because you need to know the number of students in Class A and Class B. The question tricks you into dividing by 2, giving an easy average calculation. Both conditions 1 and 2 together are not sufficient. So, E is the correct answer. Answer: E.